In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Nordvpn. Nordvpn is a popular VPN service that provides a secure and private way to browse the internet without any geographic or data limitations. Whether you're looking to protect your online privacy, bypass regional restrictions, or safeguard your device on public Wi-Fi networks, downloading and installing Nordvpn can be an excellent choice. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to the official Nordvpn website. You can do this by navigating to their download page, which you can easily find by entering Nordvpn download into your favorite search engine. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a button that says Log In. Click on this button. If you don't yet have an account, this would be the perfect time to create one. Setting up a Nordvpn account will require a valid email address and a password of your choice. After you have logged in or created your account, you'll be directed to your account overview page. In your account overview, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This area provides access to essential account management features, purchase information, and subscription status. To install Nordvpn, the next step is to click on the Download section within your account dashboard. This is where you'll find all the available Nordvpn applications suitable for your devices. Once you are in the Download section, look for the option to download Nordvpn specifically for your operating system. Here, we'll focus on downloading Nordvpn for Windows. However, if you're using a different platform like Mac OS, Android, or iOS, the process is similar. Just select the corresponding option for your device. Click on the Nordvpn for Windows button, and the download of the setup file will begin. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the Nordvpn setup file. Double-click on this file to start the installation process. You might need to grant the installer permission to make changes to your device. This is a standard procedure and ensures that Nordvpn is correctly installed on your system. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installation wizard. These instructions are intuitive, guiding you step by step through options that best suit your needs. Within a few minutes, Nordvpn will be fully installed and ready to use on your Windows device. Before you wrap up, I recommend restarting your device to ensure that all components are set up properly. Once your device is back on, launch the Nordvpn application. You'll be greeted with a login screen. Simply enter your account credentials, and you're ready to go. You can now explore Nordvpn's features by connecting to a wide variety of servers across the globe for a safe and unrestricted browsing experience. And there you have it. A simple and quick way to download and install Nordvpn for comprehensive online protection and privacy.